Whether you're a professional, student, or home user, you can always benefit from productivity tools that can help you achieve your goals. We all know Microsoft Office is essential, especially if you're a student or professional, but the official prices? It is so expensive. If you are a Mac user, Microsoft Office for Mac is essential for work because it provides powerful, reliable tools tailored for productivity on Mac. Microsoft Office is expensive because it offers a suite of professional-grade tools. The high cost reflects the software's advanced features, continuous updates, strong security, and seamless integration with other Microsoft services like OneDrive and Teams. But for now, you will not think anymore about expensive Microsoft Office, because at KeysFan, you can get Microsoft Office at a super cheap and legal price. Luckily, there's a legit and budget-friendly solution on keysfan.com. Now, the world's leading productivity suite, Microsoft Office, is at a special price during KeysFan's special sale. Mac user can get lifetime access to Microsoft Office 2019 Home and Business for Mac for only $55 from regular price $219. Don't forget to use 62% off coupon code ISO62 before you make the payment. Upon purchase, you'll receive license keys and download links to install and use your new apps right away. But don't worry, if you are Windows users, Microsoft Office Professional 2021 for Windows is available for the low one-time purchase price of $55 from $249 right now. Use 62% off coupon code ISO62 before you make the payment as well. You can get one-time purchase installed on one Mac and Windows device for use at home or work. Now I know what you're thinking, is KeysFan legit? And the answer is yes. It's a reputable site that sells OEM and volume license keys. I've used it personally, and it works perfectly. Plus, they offer 24 hours customer support if you ever need help. Not only that, KeysFan is an online store that allows you to buy software licenses at cheaper prices legally. This avoids having to resort to any type of activator and prevents malware. Visit us on Trustpilot. You can see the review and testimonial from their service. Trustpilot is an online review community that connects businesses and consumers through genuine feedback from customers about their buying and service experiences. As you can see, keysfan.com get reviews 1.986 with 4.8 stars. So you don't need to hesitate because KeysFan is trusted and has many reviews. So you can get Microsoft Office at an affordable price and one-time purchases from KeysFan. You can enter my coupon code to get this Microsoft Office discount. You can check the link in the description. And that's how you get Microsoft Office for Mac and Windows at a massive discount using keysfan.com. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just a lifetime license at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.